this door. I've got a bad, bad feeling. My baby don't live here no more. That's alright, I stuck out my guitar player. Zach and Owen. Look out now.
T7, grip the iron cannon. Think back to when you were a child. What did you dream of as you fell asleep? Space travel? Or maybe you dreamed of a magic screen you could carry in your pocket. A screen that held your favorite music, pictures, and stories. And it brought all this to you at the speed of light. That was your dream. And with the magic of sprint speed, it all came true.
Does it live in a jungle?
No. Oh.
Is it really fast?
No.
Does it live on the Great Plains of Africa?
No.
Hey!
What is going on? Hold on, guys.
Daddy, be careful on the road. Jerry?
Get back in your car right now! Remain with your vehicle!
Terry, what is this? Is this thing will run? Is anyone doing better than we are? I don't know.
I'm scared.
How do we know they're coming?
They're coming. Ready.